Genetics problem number 5 says, in peas, tall plants are dominant to short plants. Fill in a Punnett square and give the genotypic and phenotypic ratios of a cross between a homozygous dominant tall plant and a homozygous recessive short plant. Okay, so tall plants are dominant, short plants are recessive. Always make sure you use the same letter. You would never use a T for tall and an S for short because they're the same trait, just different alleles, so we have to use the same letter. Okay, so we are looking at, let me look here again, a cross between a homozygous dominant tall plant and a homozygous recessive short plant. So one parent, the other parent down and across. We're going to end up, since both parents are true breeding, we're going to end up with heterozygotes for all of the offspring, which means they will all be tall. Now, if we mated two offspring together, this is the F1 generation, this is the P generation. If we mated two of them together, then we would get that 3-to-1 ratio of 3 talls to 1 short. Because remember, when you mate two heterozygotes together, then you would get a tall, a tall, a tall, and a short. But this would be the F2 generation. What this question is asking for is the F1 generation. So we're not looking at this right now, but that's where that would come in. If we were, let me get rid of this so when I take the screenshot it doesn't confuse anybody. But that's what we would be looking at, is this F1 generation. And anytime you see two true breeding organisms for that trait, you know it's going to be all heterozygotes.